one of the classrooms that I worked in, Miss Carla's classroom, her classroom would have to be my highlight. The kids in there, it's so diverse. I love it. There are some rambunctious kids. There are some more calm kids. I get to work with them all. I got to know some of their weaknesses, some of their strengths. I got to help them through that. I've done social scenarios. I've done reading with them. I've had my little one-on-one conversations with them. They're all energetic, loving. They welcome me with open arms. They ask me questions, and they call me Mr. D. So.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
I love that. That's the coolest part for me as a teacher. That's the magical part of being a teacher, is the relationship part, right?
Yeah, and then your kids trust you. You know, that's like, yes, that's
you can
one
do
of the
anything.
main.
You can do. You and those students can do anything.
Right now, every morning and afternoon, I do buses, then I do backpacks. So I take them out the bus, I put them on the bus, I call names. First week, they did not want to come out the bus when I was, come on,
let's do this. Yeah.
Who are you? Like, they did not, I'm not going with you. But now, they all know me. They come to me. Like, I
Smile on their face.
You experience new things. You meet new people. You see a whole new side of a world that you did not live in.
Yeah.
You gotta be outside of your own world.